Welcome to Nitro. Today, we'll go through signing your documents using QuickSign in Nitro PDF Pro. Let's get started. Nitro PDF Pro lets you sign your documents quickly and easily, making the days of printing, signing, and scanning a thing of the past. To begin, have your document open in Nitro PDF Pro. Under the Home tab, choose QuickSign and create a new signature. There are 4 methods to choose from. Handwritten lets you type your signature, where Nitro will apply a signature font. You can upload an image of your signature using the From File option. You can draw your signature using a touchpad or mouse. Alternatively, you can hold up your signature to your webcam to capture it. For best results for the webcam, we suggest using a blank white piece of paper to write your signature on. You can also protect your QuickSign profile with a password for each use. Click OK once you're happy with the signature and navigate to the section of the document where you want to place your signature and left click. You can resize the signature by dragging and dropping the squares on the bounding box. Your QuickSign profile is saved, so next time you need to sign a document, it only takes 2 clicks. You can manage your existing QuickSign profiles under the QuickSign menu and choosing Manage Signatures. That's all for today. See you next time.